Your older siblings and their friends probably all failed A-level physics, so this is how you're not going to do the same. Let's talk about the study techniques that you need for this. Less than 70% of students got a C and above, which, to be fair, actually is quite surprisingly high. But comparing this to chemistry, which is 73.5%, it's pretty low. I find that doing a lot of questions is the most effective way of studying for physics. Just by knowing the calculations, you would be able to get at least 60% of the marks in the exam. But the remainder of that is going to be your theory, your practicals, and your exam techniques. So what you want to do is to do a bunch of questions, especially on the theoretical side, and get as much feedback on this as possible. It's important to know why you are right and why you are wrong. That's why you want to get feedback as much as possible. But why do I want to know why I'm right? Isn't it just because I'm right? Well, no, in physics it's quite different actually. In physics, you can be right, but you may be thinking of it in a slightly different way, when it's not exactly what they want you to say in the exam if it was a structured question. Very similar to maths in a way, where you want to be able to see a lot of the rationale or a lot of the thinking of other people and implement that into your own thinking. Now, the other study techniques that you can use are always the standard ones. Blurting and Feynman is the best. Especially for the theory, Feynman technique is really good. But grinding quizzes and topic questions is always the most effective. If you have any questions, let me know. Aside from that, all the best, bye.